My friends, today we are today we are discussing about the uh, Winforms Informs controller as a background worker. If you can open with the component tab in your Visual Studio toolbox no, from Visual Studio toolbox, background worker controller will be available there in the top of the toolbox in your Visual Studio. Okay, this one background of purpose controller will be top of the controller in Visual Studio. This background worker controller will be available from after Visual Studio 2010 only. Before 2008, 2005 versions, we don't have the background worker controller. Uh, and uh, and this is the first in the list. And if you have ever write in multi-threading applications, you must familiar with the primary and worker or a secondary threads. If you are working with multi-threading implementations, you need to know what is the primary worker and secondary threads. Those things can be easily handled by the those things can be handled by the background worker. A primary thread is the default one, a main thread of an application. A primary thread is the default and main thread of this application and execute the default execution path. And after that, we often the background threads when a time consuming process need to be executed in the background without affecting the responsiveness of the user interfaces. Without user interfaces, so what are the background process will be taken care? Those things without any user interface means suppose whenever we are logged into the site, just we can click on the some enter the details, click on that button, click button again, you enter the details, click on the button. Whenever clicking the button, background process is something will be taken care of. Those things will be can be handled by the background worker process. After those things will be what are the things will be taken, those things will be taken care by the background worker process. Now and whenever creating the background worker process, we have inheriting from system dot component and model dot background worker namespaces. The background control can be inherited from that places, and I will give some demo for that thing as now. Actually, I am drag drop the background worker controller, and one is start button, second one is stop button. What are the what the what I'm doing, just a background running the application, and running the application, so application has been run here. Application will be run here. Just I click on the start button here. See, background worker one is a background worker process ID as underscore do work is in event. Background worker having a one event name, that is for background worker underscore do work, and another event is background worker underscore do work run worker completed. This is another event. These two events can be coming under the background worker process. See, just I click the debug continue button, click on that, and after that click on that. After 20,000 milliseconds, this I was doing some work in the background. This function will be displayed here. See, this much of function will be there through thread implementation here. Sleep thread will be sleep. After 20 seconds, we are getting some message. See, I was doing some work in the background. Click OK. Now we go into the run worker completed. This is the last final event. Are you cancel the event? No, we did not cancel any event. We are getting any error? No, we did not get any error. Just simply show the just simply see the result here. We return entire result is equal to 0. It shows result is return result. This function will be executed. Return 0 will be shown there. See, just 0 without any errors. We are getting just 0 executed. Then okay. This is the function. Now this is the start process. Now we are clicking the stop button. What happened? The function will be stopped there. See, background worker is busy. No, click background worker process is not busy. That is the reason skip this function. Okay. That step, that function has been stopped. Now I'm clicking again start button. Again, button start button will be executed. Mali again system has been executed. Again do work. Again method executed. Yeah. Now I want to stop this function. See, the thread has been busy now. That is the reason she should see. The thread is busy. Then you can go into the this function, cancel function. I when I click on that other. No, oh, this background worker state that it does not support the cancellation. Oh, okay. What happened? Background cancellation error is there. Na? I did not. Sorry. I did not set the property true. Background cancellation policies true here. Now I will change this is the property names. Background worker process support cancellation port properties worker reports progress. These are the two properties for the background worker. Now I'm again starting the application. No, oh, no. Now I'm clicking the start button. This function executed, and this function is also executed. I don't want to continue this. Just I want to stop this function. See, I have stopped this function. Your system is busy now. Now it's going to the cancellation. Now cancel the function. Cancel the function, and finally I get the messages. This one. Uh, the e dot cancelled message. The operation was be cancelled. This message will be populated here now. See, I was doing some background. See, this function is executed. Now I'm cancel the operation. Now I'm getting the wait. Now I'm getting the this operation was cancelled here. See, message. Operation was cancelled. Operation was cancelled because I have cancelled the operation. No, no, operation has been cancelled here. Yes. Again, I will stop the system. I have started the system and click on it. Continue. Okay. And again, I stop the system. Click on that. That is basically cancel. This is the process for the start and background worker things. We can we can start the stop the systems through background worker process. You got my point? See, what are the components we are using here? Background worker components. See, operation was cancelled. Yeah, yes, clear. Now, see, background worker have now. I'm background worker writer has a one control in the top of the list of the toolbox. This control coming under the 2010 version. After the 2010 version, this control can be inherited from private system dot component model dot background worker, and this is this background worker properties having canceling pending easy busy worker reported process and work support cancellations. Work support cancellation work report process are earlier we see what is the cancellation pending process. This cancellation pending process and easy busy not coming under the Visual Studio 2019 version. Earlier version we have this one. What is this purpose of cancellation pending? Cancellation pending indicates if an application has requested cancellation of a background worker. That is the cancellation pending. Second one is busy. Is busy indicates if a background worker is running an asynchronous operations without post backing, without page backing, asynchronous operations, without callback, without page back these things. And worker reporters progress indicates a background worker can be reports a progress updates. What are the status of the application, what are the which method is executed, those things can be taken by the worker report progress. Final one is work support cancellation. Work support cancellation indicates the background worker supports asynchronous cancellations. Multiple cancellations is there now. Just now we have checked those things now. Start button is checked. After that again we have stopped the button without property. We did not set the work support cancellation property. The work support cancellation property is false. Then only we get the issue like this way. Uh, this one only. Work support cancellation policy is purpose. See, stop. We have click the start, and we have stop this function. We have stopped this function, but without we stop this function without we stop the function. We are able to stop the function. We can set the work process cancellation is true. If you can say cancellation is false, we cannot stop the function in mid of the work process is busy. Yeah, this is the background worker for the Visual Studio web form control first part. Yeah, done.